Why is it always so dark in here? Oh!
I'm gonna swap your feet out from under you. Oh, I did.
His feet are so short, if you swap them out from under him, it won't really do much.
No, you don't know me like that.
You don't know me. Trooper, buddy. Stop. Shut up! Don't start. What? Mom!
Are you ready?
I can go with my hair wet, I guess.
Why didn't you just dry?
Because I'm hungry.
Brian get wouldn't have hurt. Probably would have went faster.
Have gone faster. Where'd you go? Huh?
It smells like turkey burgers in there, like what we had last time.
Oh God, I hate turkey burgers. Make me sick. S-I-C-K.
You know this thing won't close, so I'm like worried about it the whole time I was
Oh,
showering.
yeah, you just have to pull on it.
Well, I couldn't even get it to close.
I'm in it.
Well, get ready, Joe.